Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about primary health care. Then first question is what is primary health care or how to define primary health care. Primary health care definition. Primary health care is the first level of contact with the health system to promote health, prevent illness, care for common illness, and manage ongoing health problems. That means the basic services like health promotion, prevention of illness, prevention of common health disease, or care for common illness are included in the primary health care. Primary healthcare concept. Primary healthcare extends beyond the traditional health sector and includes all human services which play a part in addressing the interrelated determinants of health, which include income and social status, social environment, employment or working condition, culture, physical factor, social support and networks, prenatal or early childhood experience, and level of education. Next, primary healthcare includes primary care, which include physician, midwives, and nurses, health promotion and illness prevention, health maintenance and home support, community rehabilitation, pre-hospital emergency and medical services, and coordination and referral to other areas of healthcare, in which primary healthcare include primary care through physician or nurses, health promotion and illness prevention through health education. Through home visit we can provide health support or home support, community rehabilitation, pre-medical emergency, and coordination through other referral hospital or other health center. Primary healthcare concept. Services are generally provided in the community, but some services are also provided in the hospital. Primary healthcare is different in each community depending upon needs of the resident, availability of healthcare providers, the community's geographical location, and proximity to other healthcare services in the area. Principle of primary healthcare. The first one is equitable distribution. Every healthcare services must be provided to each community member of the community. Community participation. The healthcare service is provided by health team, but as well as community participation is important for better health services. Intersectoral coordination. Every department of health is important or involved in the health services, but every section has better coordination needed for providence of better healthcare services. Appropriate technology. The recent or updated technology must be used in provided healthcare services. Focus on prevention. We normally believe in prevention is better than cure. So healthcare services or healthcare team is must based on prevention or preventive steps of the disease or healthcare services. Component of primary healthcare. Education for the identification and prevention or control of prevailing. Providing education for prevention and control of disease is most important. Adequate nutrition or basic sanitation is most important, so that proper food supplies and nutrition or adequate supply of safe water and basic sanitation. For reducing maternal and child morbidity and mortality ratio, maternal and child care and family planning services also provided by the primary health care. Immunization against the major infectious disease provided to the children up to 5 years of age and to the pregnant ladies. Prevention and control of locally endemic disease. Appropriate treatment of common disease using appropriate technology. Promotion of mental and environment and spiritual health, and provision of essential drugs. Primary health care benefits. PHC focus on keeping people healthy and addressing illness early so as to increase probability of cure, so that early diagnosis or prompt treatment is provided. PHC is client focused. Client focused care provided in the primary health care. Individual have access to appropriate care. Individual or all the community member have right to take appropriate or complete care. Services are matched to community needs. Targeted services will have a positive impact on the utilization of health and social services, and healthy communities with healthy people contribute to a vibrant and stable economy. Next, primary healthcare reform, in which medical model focus on treatment while primary healthcare focus on health promotion. Medical model focus on illness while primary healthcare focus on health. Medical model focus on cure while primary healthcare focus on prevention, care and cure. Medical model provide episodic care while primary healthcare provide continuous care. Medical model has specific problems while primary healthcare focus on comprehensive care. Medical model have individual practitioner while primary healthcare have team of practitioners. Medical model have health sector alone while primary healthcare have intersectoral collaboration. Medical model focus on professional dominance while primary healthcare focus on community participation. Medical model focus on passive reception while primary healthcare have joint responsibility. Then all the study of primary healthcare, the conclusion is working together for better health. That means every healthcare team or community participation will working together, then we can get a best health services and a healthy community for healthy nation. Thank you.